center. Bibili po kami ng laruan ng alaga ko. Tingnan yung alaga ko kasing laki ko na. Ano pa lang siya, 10 taon pa lang siya, pero kasing laki ko na siya. Pero mas mabigat pa siya kaysa sa akin. So, see you po mamaya. So, nandito na po kami sa City Center sa Mia. Walang nag-check. What here?
Normal temperature.
Huh? 36. Yeah,
Same temperature.
where are you going?
That's why I feel
Daiso.
like weird stuff. Sometimes I feel like it's Chinese because I don't know the right name of that.
Yeah, may mga blanket po dito. Oh, Nanay, fluffy. Uy, nice. Yeah, fluffy. How much this one? Is 2 dinar, 900 only. Ayun. So, we're going here to Daiso. Why? We don't have... Wow, nice. You can put your mobile here. Sir, see? Yeah, you can put your mobile. The frames also are cute. Wala, we'll see the fidget. Ay, look, Bia. Oh, I like this one. Oh. Bia, oh, you can, if you want to organize your things. Yeah, if you have papers. Only one. I thought it's a one line.
If like this, like 3, it would be better.
Where is the fidget? Fidget. Where is the fidget?
Wait, I think it's the places where there is the teddy bears because
Yeah.
if they wait, I'll take a look.
Wow, nice.
There's
There is letters.
is this B?
Yeah, that is letter B. B for B. Where is the letter
Yeah,
M?
but where I will put?
In your room.
Where? I need to like.
In the table. In your cabinet. White cabinet. Where is letter M? There is no letter M. There is no for
There
me.
is, I think.
Letter K only for Kiana.
K.
K.
There's L. K. There's N.
And
There is N. There is no M. Whose name starts with N?
there is figurine 600 pills only. Oh. Most items 600 pills. Wow, what is this?
Is it?
Huh? It's like a slime?
No, slime isn't this. No, it's timer.
It's timer.
This
It's
is
like a
unique
sun.
timer.
Yeah, because I know only sands.
Yeah,
It's 2
me
dinar
also.
400. Ooh. And
2
there
dinar
is
for
400. And there is also the sands timer.
Yeah, I only know like this.
Me also. This is the first time I saw this one.
It's very unique.
This one. This is the first. Hala, makabuak tayo na.
Imagine it breaks.
It's 600 pills only and you have money.
This one is 600 pills only.
You want to take that?
Look, there is also this if you want. I buy the two.
Yeah, I like that kind of stuff. There is also lingganay. Lingganay. Kampana. Ang kampana'y tuluyan nagigising. They have also...
Cubes, you put it in the freezer.
Okay, yeah.
I had one of these before.
And your carry Jojo also.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the color. It's nice.
Very beautiful.
Oh, it's 800 pills only. You know what? Only this one, only paper inside. You can, you will remove the paper. Ate, alam mo yung fidget, te? Fidget. Alam mo yung fidget? Na laruan. Fidget. Fidget yung para pop it na ano. Parang tusok-tusok na laruan. Na rubber.
Yung pero bilog.
Oh.
Na
Oh.
ganyan mo.
Hindi. Parang bilog siya, pero parang may tinutusok-tusok siya.
Oo nga, may tusok-tusok
Oo,
siya.
oo.
Wala na. Meron kami na.
They finish na. Finish already. Ha? Ano?
Wait, I want to buy this one.
Ah, yeah, for your cake. Yeah, we don't have this one in
This is
home.
better to do the frosting like
Yeah.
this.
But it's small. That's squeezy. Kiana, she like that. Oh, there
I
is
had one
medal.
of those. You put
There is a
slime
medal
inside.
here.
I had one of those. You put slime inside it, and then you squeeze it. The slime would come at me. It's puking.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Puzzle, 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 puzzle. Kita dito na hibo. Yala, let's go. Wala kaming nakita na fidgets. So, we're going up. We will go up or you want to go inside? Hala, kulon. Oh, wait. Oh, clay. You know what? This is from the clay.
Yeah.
Clay.
What is
Yeah.
it? Pottery things.
Huh? Yeah. It's like a play-doh.
It's more sensitive than glass. I think.
Yes. Wow, nice.
I want to try pottery.
Uy, 1,450
I
marble.
want to try it so we can get free mug, free cover.
I think if there is, they were going... Oh, summer pool.
Look at that boat. I always wanted that boat.
Yeah, for the beach.
Yeah.
And when we go in the Lebanon, tell your mama to buy this one. She want this
But
one.
it's for
Oh,
one person or two. But for one, it's like
oh, see?
this is like Illinois.
Yeah. Ah. Where is the Fidget? Where is the Fidget? Yala, we go this side. What? Ah, we found it! Ito po yung we found it. Sa previous ito. How much this one? There is no price. It's 900 pills only, Bia. Only 900 pills. Pero no first time po na lumabas ito is 5 KD, right? Your mama bought this one before
She
5
gave me 10
KD.
KD.
No, before. The first time. Mashallah, addict siya. Oh, look how happy she is.
I'm so happy.
Yala, which color you want?
Thank you, Madison.
You're welcome.
I can't find them in the nylon. Here's the name.
Ito po ang tinatawag nila na fidget.
It's a really famous thing.
Yeah. It's a stress reliever. Yeah, Bia?
Huh?
It's a stress reliever, this one also, yeah?
Yeah, this one, it's,
You can pop it like this. Sometimes they call this pop it.
sometimes it's loud, sometimes it's quiet. And I was gonna say, this is
Make like
naturally
this.
for babies, so they
Yeah.
can get used to popping, but also big people use it sometimes.
If you think something, you make like this only. And your mind will be okay. Charot.
I use
Yeah, ito
stress
po,
balls
maglaro
now.
nito. It's like a stress reliever. This one. Can I have one, Bia?
Mhm.
Where?
Come, eat out.
In the basket daw, Bia. 1 minute.
Oh, okay.
Where? Here you are. It's not in the nylon.
Here.
Yeah. Here in the basket.
Oh my God. Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
Welcome. I want to buy a color. Anna has also from this, but I want to buy one that she doesn't have.
Hey, how much
And
this one?
color.
Oh, it's 150 only. 500 pills only. This is a kitchen pop it.
If you want, you can buy also.
Fidget pop it. KJ.
It's not. It's a simple dimple.
It's a simple dimple.
There
Simple
is also
dimple daw.
from this, but bigger with more circles.
Mhm.
It's a dimple. And there is another one which is a circle. It's called a dimple digit.
And then after this, we will check for the pajama, ha? Mary, she want also. She want to buy pajama.
Oh my God.
Huh?
Okay. Can you put in your purse?
Yeah. Why? It's closed.
Yeah. Because when I left.
Okay. Put.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Why you didn't tell me there is extra power bank there?
It is.
Yeah, in there.
Which color? Okay, I will buy the pink one. No.
There is floaters also here.
Okay, I bought them for me and Marcos.
Only one.
A few moments later.
At tapos na po kami. Nakapabili na kami. Ito lang. Worth 15. Now we are looking for Junice. Where is Junice? Hanapin naman po namin si Manihon. Where is Junice car? Wait, I will call Junice Dia, okay? That car? 1 minute. No, this is not Junice car. I will call Junice. Tawag ako muna si Manihon.
A few moments later.
And we are home already. Nandito na kami. And so finally, we're in home. At dahil sa pagod, sa biyahe, at sa kakahanap ng fidget, ayan, nagutom ang Inday. So, kakain na muna si Inday, Badiray. So, bago po matapos ang video na to, sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell below para updated po kayo sa mga susunod pa na mga video. At bago po tayo matapos, gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na mag-ingat po kayo at stay safe lang po lagi kahit saan man tayo magpunta. Kasi yung virus ay nandyan lang po yan kahit saan tayo, na sa atin lang po ang pag-iingat. So, sa ulitin po, mag-ingat po tayo and God bless you all po.